Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll delve straight into how to track content production deadlines in Monday.com, your ultimate guide for 2025. First things first, you need to create a new board. On the left side of your screen, click Add, then Board. Now, name your board something like Content Production 25. The reason we do this is that it helps us organize all our content tasks in one place. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating groups. Click on the New Group button and name it after your content categories. You might have blog posts, social media, and email campaigns. This helps us because it allows us to segment our content production into manageable categories. Next up, let's add items to these groups. An item represents a task or a piece of content you're working on. Click on the plus item button and start adding your tasks. For example, under blog posts, you might have SEO guide for 2025. The reason we do this is that it gives us a clear view of all the tasks we need to complete. Now here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each item you add is automatically assigned a deadline, but we need to customize these to fit our schedule. Click on Add Column, then Date, and name it Deadline. Now you can set specific deadlines for each task. Let me explain why this matters. Having set deadlines helps you track your progress and ensures you never miss a publication date. Once you've set your deadlines, you can visualize them on a timeline. Click on Add View, then Timeline. This will create a Gantt chart of your deadlines, making it easier to track progress and see any bottlenecks. And there you have it. You've just learned how to track content production deadlines in Monday.com, ready for 2025. Remember, the key to successful content management is organization and timely execution. Now, go forth and conquer your content production deadlines like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.